Note that these are just the algorithms that I use, so they might not be the best for everyone. Hello, this is Land the Crazy Cuber, and today I'm going to show you all my PLL algorithms. So the first case is the AA Perm. There's a pair of headlights on the left side, and this block is solved. Do the algorithm, which I'm going to show to you at the top of the screen. So the AB Perm also has headlights on the left side, except for that block is at the back right. So face the top and do this algorithm. So the E Perm looks like this. Then do this algorithm. So the F Perm looks like this. You want to hold the solved sign on the left side. And then do this algorithm. All the G perms have headlights on the left side. And there is also a 1x2 block on all of the G perms. So please pay attention to where this 1x2 block is. If this 1x2 block is on the front, you have a GA perm. Algorithm goes like this. So for the GB perm, the 1x2 block is on the right side, and it goes like this. Do this algorithm. So if the 1x2 block is at the back, you have a GC perm. And if the 1x2 block is on the right side, but it covers these two pieces, you have a GD perm. So this is the JA perm. There's a bar, a solved bar. So hold the cube with the solved bar in front of you, then do this algorithm. So this is the JB perm. It's one of my fastest algorithms. I'm going to show you how fast I can do it. And here we go again, a little bit slower. So the RA perm looks like this. The algorithm goes like this. The RB perm goes like this. You recognize it by these 5 stickers being a checker pattern. It goes like this. So the T perm is another of my favorite algorithms. It looks like this. I'm going to show you the T perm going fast and another T perm slower. So we're going to start with the fast T perm. And then now is a T perm that is slower. So the NA perm looks like this. And the algorithm is like this. So the first 4 moves of soon, followed by a JB perm. And then U2 R U prime R to insert that last F2L pair. And then the NB perm is very similar to the NA perm, except for that 1x2 block is on the left side instead of on the right side. It goes like this. The V perm goes like this. The Y perm, another of my favorite algorithms. It looks like this. I'm going to show you the Y perm fast and then slow. So when all the corners are solved, now we just have the edges to solve. If these two opposite edges and these two opposite edges need to swap, you have an H-perm and do this algorithm. So when these two pieces need to swap and these two pieces at the back need to swap, you have a Z-perm. And if you have a Z-perm, do this algorithm. So when there's a solved edge at the back, check to see which edge needs to go to the opposite side. Is it going to be the edge on the left or the edge on the right? If the edge on the right is opposite, like in this case it is, then you have a UA perm. And the algorithm goes like this. So the final case is when this piece on the left side needs to swap to over here. Do this algorithm. And finally, we have learned all 21 PLL algorithms. 21 PLL algorithms may feel like a lot to learn, but don't worry. If you learn a PLL algorithm every single day, within 3 weeks, you will have learned all 21 PLL algorithms. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. See you next time.